Hi, this is Sincere from Tailor-Made Virtual Design, and today I'm going to talk to you about what is hosting and why do you need it? Important stuff, right? So, what is hosting? When you're going to build a website, you need somewhere to put the website files. Hosting is like having a big computer that somebody else owns, a hosting company, that you put all of your website files on, and then everybody across the internet can access your website and find it easily. So sometimes people still don't understand that. So let me try to explain it in a different way. Let's say that you have a picture that you took from your phone and downloaded it onto your laptop. And so your picture is saved on your laptop and you want to show a friend that picture. However, your laptop is at home, so you can't show the friend the picture. They can't connect to it. They can't see it because it's saved somewhere else that they can't get to. However, if you take that same picture off your laptop and you upload it to Facebook or maybe Instagram, ta-da! It's connected for the whole world to see, and anybody can see it, including the friend you actually wanted to show it to. So instead of having it in one place where only you can get to it, you've now connected it to a place, a host, so to speak, where everyone can connect to it and see it, and you made it public. So hosting is the same kind of deal with your website. If you were to build your website on your computer at home and just have it all laid out and it was all beautiful and gorgeous, that would be great, but the only problem would be that you would be the only one who could see it unless you carried your laptop around everywhere and said, hey, look at my website. Well, you know that's not the point, right? So once you get your website built, you have to have people see it. So what happens is you get a hosting company and you build your website on their hosting server, and then they can put it out for the whole world to see it so that people can connect to it. So you wouldn't want to build your website on your local computer because nobody will ever see it, and all that work was for naught. But you put it on a hosting server and everybody can see it, which is the whole point, to get your business out there because you have people that you want to help. That's the way you're going to do it. Another good thing about hosting and getting a hosting company is that you'll get that cool domain email. What's a domain email? I'm going to tell you. For example, my domain is tailormadevirtualdesign.com. And my email, if you ever try to email me, is sincere@tailormadevirtualdesign.com. So I have a domain email. And the reason I have that is because it comes through my hosting company, where I bought my hosting package, where I built my website. So that's another perk about having a hosting company, because a lot of new business owners ask me, how did you get that with your website name and your email? That's how you do it. It's called a domain email. And I'll do another video on that later. So you have to have hosting because you need a place to put all your website files so the whole world can see it. And you can connect to the people that you're trying to help and they can find you. That's why you need hosting.